my wonderful people, as you watch this very video, please share to your family and friends. Please share this very video so it can get to our government. Let's see if they will remember this very road as well. What's up, my wonderful people, and welcome back to my channel. How are you doing this beautiful day? Hope you're having a great day wherever you're watching from. As for me here, I'm having a great day too. So guys, if this is your first time of coming across this beautiful channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Noella and this is Nuelchuky, my little corner on YouTube world. So my wonderful people, as you watch this video, please subscribe if you've not subscribed yet. Share this video to your family and friends, and do let us know anything you think about this video. So friends, we took off road safety roundabout. Now we are heading to Toronto. You see the reason why you should share this video. Honestly, this very road needs to be remembered. So you can see beautiful houses, but the road is bad. It needs to be remembered as well. You can see there is no gutter here. So as you watch, please share. Subscribe if you've not subscribed yet. And as you subscribe, please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you always get alert of our beautiful videos. So my wonderful people, for you to have watched up to this point means you like my video. Support your girl by subscribing, share this video to your family and friends. Do let us know anything you think about this video. Straight list to Toronto. Thanks so much for watching this far. As I see you guys again in the next video. Thank you and remain blessed.